Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. My name is Varsha Dhiman. So in this particular session, I'm going to tell you about the pay benefits and CTC that will be provided to NPS Grade A, Grade B officer. So this is a very important session for the aspirants who want to target NPS Grade A, Grade B 2025. So whenever we have to target any competitive exam, the very common question that every person have in their mind that they want to know what would be their salary, what would be the extra benefits or the compensation they will receive, and what would be the CTC. So in this session, we are going to clear all your such queries. So before proceeding forward, I just want to request you all, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will be provided with all the notifications of all the sessions on time, and you can share this session among your friends also who are thinking of targeting NPS Grade A, Grade B 2025 examination. So let's start our discussion. So before that, I want to tell you that please update your application aspirants so that you can take the benefits of all these important features that is available for you on the application of Oliveboard. Like you can highlight the notes, you can add the comments, you can enable the dark mode for the more comfortable revisions, and you can also add the audio notes for the faster revisions like whenever you will do. And you have to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you will get the notification of all the classes on time, and you can attend all the classes on time and ask your queries in the live classes. Okay, now let's start our discussion. So as you guys know that this exam is the tentative days for this examination is provided as the last week of Feb 2025. So it's a very crucial time for you. If you want to target this particular exam, please start your preparations. And if you will enroll in this batch today, you will get a maximum discount of 53%. For that, you have to use the code RDAY. So make sure you are doing your preparations with the India's best team, and there you will be provided with, apart from the badge, you will provided with the practice set and how you can do your preparations smoothly. Okay, so let's start our discussion. Let's know about the pay, let's know about the benefits and the CTC. So let's go with the grade A assistant manager. So when you will qualify the phase 1, phase 2 and the interview for the NPS grade A assistant manager, and you will be appointed as a assistant manager, you will be provided with these kind of allowances, compensation, salary benefits, and CTC. So actually, for most of the aspirants who are targeting any competitive exam, why they are targeting? Because they want a stable job, because they want a certain career, because they want a certainty in their life, and they want to have a good remunerations after performing a specific kind of job, right? So that factor is one of the most important factor that motivate you to do well in your preparations, right? To do well in all the phases, right? So let's talk about the salary. So the pay scale of officers in grade A is rupees 44,500, and after annual increments of 2500 it will be 54,500 and so on. So that's how the pay scale of officers in grade A is provided, right? Other than that, yeah, presently the gross emoluments that include all the compensations or the benefits that the NPS trust contribution towards national pension system, grade allowances, special allowances, dearness allowances, local allowances, housing allowances, learning allowances, and special grade allowances. So all these will also be included. And what kind of benefits you will get, right? Other than the salary and the other things, what would be the benefits, the special benefits that will be provided to the assistant manager in grade A? So aspirants, if you will be qualified as assistant manager in grade A, these specific benefits will be provided to you, and these will include like leave fare concessions, medical expenses like hospitalization and non-hospitalization expenses, personal accident insurance, eye refraction or the cost of spectacles will be beared by the NPS Trust, and education allowances, knowledge upgradation allowances, briefcase convenience expenses, house cleaning allowances, staff furnishing allowances, and scheme for purchasing computers and all other benefits as are admissible to an officer grade A in NPS trust. So these will be the other benefits like that will be provided to you. Yeah, and what would be the total CTC? So the total CTC consisting of pay and benefits for the post of officer grade A at the beginning of scale of pay would be approx rupees 30 lakh per annum. Isn't it enough for aspirant to motivate till the last phase of the examination? Isn't it not? Yeah. So aspirants, if you're just thinking that you should appear for NPS grade A or not, you should pursue best or you should do the preparation or not, please go through these details also. If you feel that you are eligible and you understood the exam pattern and you are aware about the subjects, you can do the subjects well with our team. And so I'll suggest you that you should pursue, you should try. Okay, at least try and do the best, like if you can do, right? Now, let's talk about the Grade B manager. So, aspirants who will be qualified as Grade B manager after qualifying the NPS exam, they will get a pay like the pay scale of officers in Grade B is rupees 55,200 with 9 annual increments of 2,850, and then it will be promoted to 80,850, and so on the things will, right? Presently, the gross emoluments includes NPS trust contribution towards, NPS trust contribution will be towards these like NPS national pension scheme, obviously, the grade allowances, spatial allowances, dearness allowances, local allowances, housing allowances, learning allowances, and spatial grade allowances, right? And other than that, what would be the special benefits that will be provided to the person who will be appointed as manager in grade B? So the benefits will be leave fare concessions, medical expenses, which will include the hospitalization and the non-hospitalization expenses, personal accident insurance, eye refraction, or the cost of the spectacles will be bared by the NPS, education allowances, knowledge upgradation allowances, briefcase, conveyance expenses will be bared by the NPS trust, and house cleaning allowances, staff furnishing scheme, and scheme for purchasing computers, and all other benefits as are admissible to an officer grade B in NPS trust. So all these benefits will be provided to you if you will be qualified as a NPS grade B manager. And what would be the total CTC? So the total CTC, which will consist of all the pays and the benefits for the post of officer grade B at the beginning of scale of pay, at the beginning of the scale of pay, mind you, it would be approx rupees 35 lakhs per annum. Okay. So that is all the important information that you should know about the pay, benefits, allowances that will be provided to you if if you are going to qualify the grade A or the grade B examination, right? And for your better preparations of phase 1 and a phase 2, so that you can qualify the examination in a well manner with a good score, you can be the part of this complete course which is available to you on the application of Oliveboard, right? And here we are providing you all the classes for both phase 1 and phase 2 for your better preparations, and they are the classes provided to you on the YouTube channel also. Okay, so you have to subscribe our YouTube channel so that you will come to know like who is teaching you which particular subject and how to do your preparations in a better manner. Other than that, if you have any query regarding anything about the NPS grade A and grade B, uh, that is creating a doubt in your mind, like how you should pursue and what you should do for your preparations, you can write in the comment box. I'll clear your doubt either in the written form in the comment box, or I'll take a specific session so that your doubt will be cleared by us. Okay. So that's it for now. And please update your application so that you can take the benefits of all this important features that are available for you on our application. And yeah, subscribe to our YouTube channel also. Bye bye, all the very best, and take care.